There are good talent in multi-year. And if somebody is excellent in progress, we, as you say, the enterprise, we open enterprise for that person then and say, listen, this is really what you need. You need a sewing machine, you need leather, you need thread, you need rubber, you need glue. Let's put this together. Let's put you on the market. Let's help you with the marketing. Let's get your product out of multi-year into this desert-based economy. So this is basically the work packages, what that is all about. What we've done was we started with the horticulture package and then broaden it, make it wider. So we offer courses, 2-week courses. The first was 6 months courses. Then we see that there are a bigger need. One cannot stick with 6 people for 6 months. There are a greater need. So we break the courses down to 4 weeks and follow up with another 4 weeks where we encourage the community and say, listen, we've got land. We've got water in multi-year. We have sand. How do we improve it? We start learning how to make compost.